Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 186 St. John's Drive in the town of Greece.
This is an amazing, picture-perfect home with stunning curb appeal and landscaping.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy this charming colonial that has been maintained to perfection with phenomenal space. Featuring a spacious eat-in kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, solid surface countertops, a charming nature view dining area, and gleaming hardwood floors. Leading to the entertainment-sized living room and formal dining room with a chair rail. A classic foyer with tile floors and a traditional wood banister leads to the upstairs, with 3 spacious bedrooms, all with beautiful hardwood floors, and an updated full bathroom. While the partially finished lower level provides great additional space with a bonus room, powder room, and great storage.
This property has low maintenance living with vinyl siding and windows, plus a backup generator. These are terrific benefits to any homeowner. Relax and enjoy this private and tree-lined backyard with an expansive patio complemented with exquisite landscaping and beautiful flowers. You could have it all with this beautiful, beautiful town of Greece home. This home has a premier location on a quiet neighborhood street with sidewalks, plus minutes to great restaurants, shops, and the mall at Greece Ridge, all with easy access to downtown Rochester and nearby Lake Ontario. What a great place to live!
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 186 St. John's Drive in Greece.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.